Hi, I'm Daryl from Victory 4x4. Today I want to give you a quick overview and unboxing of our roof racks. If you're looking for specific installation instructions, check out the product page at victory4x4.com where you purchased for your individual model. If you have any questions, give us a call, 269-353-1184, or email us at info@victory4x4.com. This is the box as you're going to receive it. Let's open it up and see what's inside. This rack is for a 200 series. Your package may not be as long as this one is, but the packaging will be mostly the same inside. Let's go ahead and open this up. You're going to have some packaging foam that we can get rid of. And then all of these flat aluminum parts are individually wrapped in bags like this. Here are your main side rails. There are two of them there. I'll go ahead and set these aside. These are your accent rails. They are in a gray Santex, so they add a little bit of accent and they also add some strength to the side of your rack. I won't unwrap everything, but here is your front and your rear fairing and the front fairing. You're gonna get a varied amount of crossbars just depending on which model of rack. We textured powder coat these as well, so they're not anodized, so they will not fade. This black will stay black. And then here's your hardware. Don't need that anymore. You're gonna have various lengths of rubber edge trim. Here, this goes against the roof underneath your front and your rear fairing. One note, look at the installation instructions. We recommend using some 3M paint protection film under this where it touches your roof, because any bit of grit can get in there and can vibrate a little bit and it can scuff up your clear coat or your paint. So we don't want that to happen. You're gonna have roof rack mounts kind of depending on which model you have. Look at the installation instructions. It will document exactly what roof rack mounts you're going to use. And then is going to be your stainless steel hardware. We reuse these packages on various models of racks just to save ourselves space and inventory. So look at the installation instructions to see what bolts you need. You may have extra bolts. Those are yours to keep. You don't have to send them back. So you can use those for whatever project that you want. That's it for the unboxing. Like I said, check out the individual product page for the installation document. We do it this way just because if there's any updates, we can easily update that document, and this is just a broad general overview for all of our racks. We also have different accessories on our website. We have different lighting options, handles, accessory mounts, flat mounts if you want to stand on your rack, all sorts of stuff at victory4x4.com. As I said in the beginning, if you have any questions whatsoever, comments, concerns, give us a call, 269-353-1184, or shoot us an email at info@victory4x4.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.